Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to change address on Just Eat. So let's get into the video. So if you want to update your address on Just Eat, you can simply do so by going to their website. So open up their website and then log into their account. So once you have logged into your account, so now you'll see you'll be on this home page here. So here, once you've logged in, click on this hamburger icon here on your top right. So simply click on it. So once you click on it here, you'll see address option here. So click on the address option and then this will show all the current addresses. Since I have not saved anything, so there's nothing popping up, but you should see your address here. You can simply click that address and then delete it or edit it, or what you can simply do, just add a new address by hitting this add address bar option here. So now just type in your address or whatever the address that you want to change it to. So just type that in and then you can save this address. Hit on add address and that will be saved, and you can also delete your unwanted old addresses. So that's how you can update or change address on Just Eat. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.